Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you so much for tuning in today here on the channel with me. I want to say thank you so much to everyone out there who's shown their support, guys. Truly appreciate you. Truly do. I'm going to be sharing with you here on the channel right now how I prepare a sweet dish. Yes, it is the peach cobbler, guys. Oh my gosh. It's one of those favorite go-tos after you've had your dinner or after that Sunday evening meal. It is absolutely delicious. So come on, let's get started as we prepare this peach cobbler, country style. Alrighty, let me know what you think. Leave a comment. If you use this recipe, leave me a comment, guys. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to go ahead and melt our stick of butter in our pot here. It's already hot and ready to go. And bring that over. Alright. Looks good. I'll let that melt down. Okay, so now that we have our butter melted, we're going to add our 1 cup of milk in here. And we're going to go ahead and add in our sugar, the white sugar first. Okay. Give that a quick stir. Alright, that looks good. Okay, so next up, we're going to go ahead and put in our salt. Because our butter is unsalted, so we're going to add like half a teaspoon of that salt. Okay? Alright, I'm going to stir that in. Okay. Next up, we're going to go ahead and add in our seasonings, such as our allspice. It's ground allspice, okay? We're going to use relatively a half a teaspoon of our allspice. And we're going to use half a teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 full teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay. All right. I'm going to stir that in. Make sure all of this is well mixed into our liquids. And we just stir and stir until everything is mixed and well combined. Okay? Alright. Make sure we get all that off the sides, down into the pot. Alright. Okay, so next up, we're going to add our peaches in here. Now these peaches are fresh, okay? I peeled them and I had seasoned them with a little cinnamon, sugar, and nutmeg. And I froze them, okay? So these are fresh cut peaches, alrighty? These are not the can. Usually if you're gonna use the canned peaches, I strongly suggest you use heavy syrup, okay? the heavy syrup version. Alrighty, now we're going to do a taste test to see exactly if this is enough seasoning to my taste. And I tell anyone, if you're baking a dish like this, taste it. Okay, taste it. Okay, it tastes good. I like that. All right. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our extracts. Okay, we're going to use a teaspoon of lemon there, teaspoon of rum, all right, and of course my favorite, Superior. Okay, and we don't go nowhere without our Superior, guys. Make sure that we put a teaspoon of that in this peach cobbler. Yes, indeed. All right. So now we're going to stir that in. Alrighty. Look at those peaches. Absolutely beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. So now, guys, we have all of our ingredients in here that you saw in the snapshot. So we're just gonna let these peaches do their thing for a good 20 to 30 minutes, and we'll be right back, just until they get tender enough we can put them in the oven until everything combines. Alrighty, stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, I wanted to show you that little quick snip right there before I put it in our baking dish to get it into the oven. Okay, so now we're ready. Our dish has been prepared with our bottom crust, because I do bottom crust and top. Okay, all right, so now we're going to go ahead and pour this in here. All right. So now you see this, right, is ready for our top crust. All right. So we're going to take our second crust, place it over the pie. Simple. 1, 2, 3. All right. Some of the juice float on it. That's fine. Not going to hurt it at all. Alright, so then we're going to come back with our knife here. Let's do a few little slits here and there. Okay. Alright, that's it. Okay, we've already put our 1 stick of butter in there. Some people will go ahead and top it off with some more butter. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes at 350, and we'll come back and I'll show you exactly what this looks like, guys. So hang tight. Okay, this is what it looks like fresh out of the oven, guys. That's that peach cobbler. So we're going to let it cool down before we cut it. Alright, so that's going to take a couple of hours maybe. And we'll come back and I'll be glad to show you exactly what this peach cobbler looks like. Alrighty? We are back, and this peach cobbler is now finished. Right? And I wanted to make sure I let you guys see the end results of this delicious peach cobbler here. Y'all, the smell. We're about to taste it. Okay, all right. Yes, yes, yes. It's melting in your mouth, guys. Melting your mouth. Oh my word. This is absolutely delicious. I can taste fresh peaches. They're tender, well cooked. The crust is double crust. And the flavors of the cinnamon and nutmeg and vanilla and the lemon extracts have soaked into the sauce. And it is absolutely delicious. Oh yeah. This is your homemade peach cobbler, guys. Oh yes. Even my husband said it was good. Said it tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm pleased with that. That's a comment. Alrighty guys, so that's the end of another video here that I'm sharing with you, our peach cobbler, homemade peach cobbler. Once again, let me know if you decide to glean some tips from this video, decide to make it. If you do, leave me a comment or just let me know what you think about this peach cobbler here on the channel. Alrighty, thank you so much for stopping by and showing your support. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye-bye.